Hi, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this pretty card with the By the Bay suite. This is my bird card using the By the Bay suite, and I love this suite so much, mostly because of the beautiful designer series paper, which has a sheen or foil on one side and then beautiful designs on the other side and images that you can cut out. So there's the water paper that I'm going to use, and a lot of like landscape. This is really pretty too. We also have the flat adhesive back pearls, the balmy blue ombre ribbon, really pretty. You can use blends on it, you can stamp on it, and the Seaside Bay bundle, which of course is the star of the suite, with dies that cut out the images, with the clams and this nice landscape die as well. So for this card, I started off with a Sahara sand base, and I've used the landscape paper, I'm calling it, because it looks like water and beach and sky. And I also have the water paper. And so I'm going to cut it out. Actually, it goes this way so that it looks like waves. So you're simply going to cut along some of the waves. So then you can decide what waves you want to be on top. That looks good, or I could do like that. Now I'm gonna add some birds. So this is a bird I cut out of the designer series paper. So I will add this bird kind of here on the water. And then I cut out a bunch of these that are going to be behind the bird, and I used adhesive sheets behind them so that they will be easy to adhere. You just peel and stick. Now for the little birds, I'm going to color them with markers. I'm coloring their beaks and feet and legs in Sahara sand. And then I'm going to do their bodies in Night of Navy. And then with a crumb cake light marker, I'm just gonna go in and fill in some of the body and the head, and then the bottom of the body with crumb cake, just to give the birds a little bit more dimension. And then I'm gonna use this die to cut out the birds. Okay, I've cut out the 3 little birds. So I'm just going to put them on dimensionals and place them over here. So we've got this bird. And there is my bird card using the By the Bay suite. If you want to get this card kit for free, just place a $50 order using my current host code and email me and let me know that you want the By the Bay card kit, and I will send it right out to you.